Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about visualization in R, and today I'm going to use the ggplot2 to create my first visualization in R. As you can see here, ggplot2 is part of tidyverse, so I have to install the tidyverse first. So I have already installed tidyverse and also run this and also run ggplot2. And here today I am going to use the Palmer Penguins package to run my visualization. So here, and also I already ran this, and now I want to use glimpse in order to find the name of the columns in penguins data. So I just type here glimpse penguins and just run this. As you can see, I have this, the name of the column, so I need this in order to create my visualizations next. So now I use the ggplot2 to create my first visualization. I just type here ggplot, and here I just type here data equal to which data I will use, penguins data. I just type here data equal to penguins and run this. As you can see here, I have here the plots and it's empty because I don't add a static geom or anything else yet. So now I want to add the geom and also mapping and also the static. So I will talk about them later. So now I just run my visualization. I just type here plus. So the first one I should type here geom. So I'm going to use the geom point, and here I just type here mapping AES, it's a static, X equal to flipper length millimeter, comma y equal to body mass per gram. So now I just run my formula. That's it. I have just created my first visualization using ggplot2, and here in my formula you can see I have used ggplot, geom, mapping and static. So the first one is ggplot, so it shows it is a visualization. The next one geom, it shows the type of the chart, whether it's point chart, line chart, graph chart or bar chart or whatever. And the static, it is what is our variables, what is in X, what is in Y in our chart. You can see here we have flipper length in X and also body mass in Y. And the last one is mapping. It match up a specific variable in dataset with a specific static. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.